Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study engineering subjects effectively. To truly grasp engineering concepts, active learning is key. Don't just read. Instead, work through examples and solve problems yourself. Try explaining difficult topics to a friend or even to yourself out loud. This process helps identify gaps in your understanding and strengthens your memory, making your study time much more productive. Focus on understanding the core concepts, not just memorizing formulas. When tackling a problem, break it down into smaller, manageable parts. This systematic approach makes even the most complex challenges seem less daunting. After solving, review your work and compare it with different methods to broaden your problem-solving toolkit. This deep understanding is crucial for success. Effective time management is vital. Establish a consistent study schedule and stick to it. Don't hesitate to use available resources like professors' office hours or tutoring centers. They are there to help. Collaborating with classmates can also provide new perspectives and clarify difficult areas. Remember, you don't have to navigate these challenging subjects alone. Consistent review is essential to retain information long-term. Make sure to revisit older topics regularly. Try to connect what you learn in class to real-world engineering applications. This makes the material more tangible and interesting. Finally, practice solving problems under timed conditions to prepare for exams, ensuring you can perform efficiently when it counts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.